Hey guys, RPR. It is Monday, November 17th, 2014, and just a quick update here on the battle on the GMO front, right? Maui's GMO ban blocked by federal judge as of November 14th. So, on November 4th, citizens of the Hawaiian island Maui successfully voted to prohibit any growth and testing or cultivation of genetically modified crops until scientific studies prove their safety. The measure is also meant to halt any genetic modification and engineering operations in the county until said study was conducted. But now, biotech giants Monsanto and Dow have fearfully threatened to sue Maui, subsequently leading a federal judge to put a halt on the measure. The people have spoken, with 51.19% supporting the measure, but apparently votes aren't enough. Now a legal battle will at worst nullify the law and at best delay it from taking effect for an undetermined amount of time. Yep, the puppet judge here in question is Judge Barry Curran. Okay, and more on him in a second. But Kenneth Robbins, an attorney for the plaintiffs, says Curran is saying the plaintiffs have shown they could potentially suffer irreparable harm if the law goes into effect. Yeah, I bet. So folks, this is just another example of Monsanto owning your government, having every judge in their pockets, being above the law, etc., etc. So what else is new? I mean, but this is what the GMO crowd needs to understand, because most of the GMO crowd cannot understand and won't take that one step further and realize that it is not limited to Monsanto, and Monsanto is not the only entity to blame here. Okay, your government is willing participant in the demise of your food crop, in the poisoning of all of us, just like every other corporation. Alright, it is not limited to Monsanto. This is the way the system works. This is how the system is, and that's why it's a fraud. That's why the entire system is a lie, because your government is owned by all of these corporations like Monsanto. The money system, the food system, the medical system, it's all the same. It's all the same. You know, the conflicts of interest, the corruption, the selling of souls. It's in every organization, every entity. It doesn't change here, folks, and it's all connected. You kidding me? Michael Taylor, former vice president of Monsanto, heading up the FDA, and that is why you cannot fix this system from within. That is the prime example, folks. Okay, and the judge in question here, Barry Curran, United States District Court, District of Hawaii, and here he is. Here's the scumbag right here. There's his face. Look at him. Take a good look. And here's his information. Look at that. With a phone number. So, there it is. You know, the people of Hawaii, the people of Maui have spoken, but it matters not. The evil hammer of Monsanto and the corporatocracy that is running this system has the ultimate say. Your voting doesn't count. We don't count. And until the entire world realizes this, we are going to get nowhere. So, and I just want to read this comment here that was the only comment left on a piece of the article I just read, but it was a good one at that. So clearly it's not a label they feel they would be able to successfully market with pride. What does that tell you about what they think about the safety of their own foods? If I didn't know any wiser about GMO, which I do, this act of suing the state alone would tell me to steer clear of all foods with GMOs in it. Ergo, go organic. Well stated. So keep your eye on this story, guys. The injunction here is until the December 5th, 2014. So that gives Judge Scumbag here some time so he can find a legal way to side with his cronies and not go to jail for it. But if December 5th rolls around and he can't find a legal way, he can probably just give himself an extension, right, to screw with the yes voters of Maui County. So it's just ridiculous. So anybody from that region, chime in and give us your input, you know. But the battle wages on the GMO front. So leave your comments below, links below as always, guys.